Hey guys, what's up? This is Ethan. Daddy! What's up?
I'm making a video.
Well, if you can see, guys, I have my screen. What are you doing? That's my rocket launcher. I was gonna show it to them, unless you're gonna take it or something. No, that's not. It doesn't have very much. See, I told you.
There you go. Watch the days, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, here we go. Get into the red zone.
Yeah, it's not very good. It's kind of old. But anyways, hey guys, what's up? This is Ethan here, and today I'll be showing you guys this awesome Nerf rocket launcher. Well, if you haven't noticed yet, I've changed my video screen to be in like a neon kind of thing. There's my face. It looks pretty weird. I have a bit of a chest cold, so please bear with me because I'll probably be coughing a good bit. Now, this awesome Nerf rocket launcher, I got it at a yard sale. It's kind of old, and as you saw when my dad tried to shoot it, it didn't go very far. Now, so, let's take a look. Here's the rocket. It's hollow. You probably can't see it because of the way my screen is. But I made my video screen like this because I thought it looked cool, because in real life the thing is just black, orange, red, and gray. And I thought that looked pretty boring until I tried this screen out, and it's like neon blue. So I think it's really, really cool. So I decided to do it in this, but as I was saying, you probably can't see in there. But yes, it is hollow. It's supposed to have 3 flat things here, but like I said, it's old. So let's stick it back on here. Now, there's a gauge, actually, and the gauge actually works. It says power gauge low, then high. And then there's like a little sight thing. I think it's pretty cool. Now, to put pressure on this thing, I think is actually really, really cool. Because, look, you gotta put your feet on these 2 things to hold it down. Then you take the handle and pump it. Then, here's another thing that you can do. You can turn the gauge to see the pressure. I thought, I think that's the coolest part of it, but it starts pumping. Put some pressure on this thing. It's getting higher. So high. I try and get it to maximum. It doesn't take very much to pump. Well, it looks like that's the highest it can go because it's not going any higher. So let's try it. Now let's just let my dad shoot it. It does not go very far. Fix this real quick. It does not go very far because, like I said, I got it at a yard sale, and the guy who sold it to us, he said, "Hey, Adeline, you tired?" well, the guy at the yard sale who gave it to us said that his kids used to play with it all the time, but it doesn't work very good anymore, so let's just try. It didn't go very far. Right in the middle of the pile of my sister's shoes. Okay. Well, it didn't go very far. What? Ew, don't do that, Alan. Alan. No, stop. Get that out of your mouth. Don't do that. You're a stinky little poop. Don't do that to my good rocket launcher. Well, not good, but cool rocket launcher. Okay, now, do not interrupt my video. Now, it didn't go very far. Adeline. So, it doesn't go very far. But that's pretty much all it does. It seems like there was something that's supposed to go on the bottom of it, but when I bought it, it didn't come with it. So, I think it's so really, really cool. But, I mean, I don't know. It's pretty much all that it does. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and leave your comments down below to, if I don't know, like tell me what your favorite part of this review was, or what your favorite Nerf gun is. Just first thing, stop screaming. And if you're new to the channel, why not subscribe? Because at the moment, I only have 9 subscribers. Because at the moment, I only have 9 subscribers. Now, peace out.